Hello great viewers, you're all welcome to my YouTube channel Wealth Digital Skilling Oneself. So today I'm going to be teaching you how to set the desktop of your laptops or your PCs. So whenever your machine has been installed, you basically have the recycle bin, but on a Windows 11 you have the recycle bin and Microsoft Edge. So this is a web browser, one of the latest web browsers. So I'm going to show you how to set up your desktop. So by default you need to have my computer icon, but now it is called my PC icon. That icon can permit you to access your storage device and other services as well in your machine. So I'm going to teach you right away, but before, I would like you to like, comment and share my tutorial. So I'm going to right click on this desktop. I will choose personalize. You click on personalize, and at this level you click on themes here, and you see install, create and manage. So you click on it. Now you glide down, you click on desktop icon settings. I hope you are following up keenly. So you click on desktops, and at this level you'll see these icons: my computer, user files, network, control panel. So on latest operating system, my computer icon now is renamed as this PC. So you can as well check if you want to display user files, because you can have many users on your machine. So the control panel as well and network. So and you click on apply. So you click on apply, you click on OK. So let's check. I'll close now to check my desktop. So when you check your desktop, all those icons are already appearing here. So this is this PC icon, previously called my computer icon. So when you double click on it, you can have access to your storage device and other related things that you need to do in your machine. So this time around I'm going to show you how to change the background of your machine. So you right click, you take personalize as well, but I'm going to show you a shortcut where you can easily change the background of your machine. I'll obviously like to glide to where I've kept an image that I would like to set up as my background. So for example, it depends where you have kept the image. Is it in your drive C, drive D? But I kept the image that I wish to display on my background in this folder, picture. So I click on this folder. So this is the image that I would like to display as my background. So I'll right click on it, and the menus, this menu appears. You see open with, share, set as desktop background. So you click on it, and let's go and check what has happened. You just have to close. So this is the new background that I have set up, and this helps to customize your machine. So I'm going to teach you how to display Microsoft Office icons here on your desktop to easily permit you access them and write on with your activities. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I'm going to encourage you to share this tutorial in order to receive more of my tutorials and latest updates. Don't forget to like and keep a comment. See you in my next tutorial.